Here's how to disable shorts on YouTube. Now, I have my iPhone and my Android here. If you see a shorts tab that opens up in the normal homepage, or you just don't want the shorts to always appear and pop up with shorts videos, you can remove that by tapping the U button at the bottom right. And then again on the Android, tap on U at the bottom right. Next, tap on the gear icon at the top right on both phones. And then scroll down from here. Right under Family Center, tap on Time Management on your iPhone. On Android, it's right under Languages, tap on Time Management. From here, scroll down again, and you can see Shorts Feed Limit. Toggle this on both devices and set the Shorts Feed limit to 0 minutes. After you've done that, I'll show you how it works. Let's just go back out here and go home on both devices. And if I refresh this, you'll be able to see it doesn't show shorts. And even if I tap on the shorts button here at the bottom, it will eventually say, hey, you've reached your shorts time limit. You can either hit ignore or you can go home if you choose to do so. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one too. And thanks for watching.